welcome back to another vlog. So I keep forgetting to do intros when I start. So basically I just finished my hair. I'm just showing you guys how I install my own sew-ins. It's a traditional sew-in, so I leave like a horseshoe out at the top, and then I just sew the rest of the hair in. And yeah, I just wanted y'all to see how I do my own installs. It take me a couple days because I just can't sit straight through and do it all. Not a couple, so like I'll do a deep conditioning one day, I did, and then yesterday I braided, I sewed it in, and then today I styled it. I'm gonna come back in a few days and put some curls in it and show you guys how I do that. But I just wanted to show you guys how I did the install today. It came out really cute. Middle part, I dyed the hair jet black. And yeah, it came out cute. So if you are interested in how I install, not interested, if you want to know how I install my own sew-ins, just stay tuned and watch this video to the end. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, babe. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the coffee green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Shit, that's a good song. Come through and chill. Hey, Booch, can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence. If you with it, I guarantee you won't regret you did it. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. All night, say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone.
Okay, I'm almost done, guys, and I wanted to show you guys what it's looking like so far. This is where we are. So, almost done.
Playing, babe. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the coffee green. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will.
Shit, that's a good song.
Come through and chill.
Hey, Booch, can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence. If you with it, I guarantee you won't regret you did it.
Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. All night, say it. I want you all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want you all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want you all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, yeah.
It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me. Hello. I'm gonna sleep on the street when I fuck up. I should've known how to pick.
Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and say thank you for watching. If you made it this far, I greatly appreciate it. I mean, you watched the whole video. It was a cool little short tutorial about extension sewing in here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next vlog. Thank you.